Can you see yourself in the 2019 Honda CR-V? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.